I have a big problem. I can't seem to say no to free wood. Broken furniture. Pieces of broken furniture. More pieces of broken furniture. Wood from the side of the road. Offcuts. Offcuts of offcuts. Things I may need one day. Big logs. Long bits. Pieces that defy definition. Bits that really belong in the garden. Bits that will definitely be useful one day. In any case, I am stockpiling wood faster than I can use it. One of the pieces that has been taunting me for some time is this guy. It's a camphor laurel cut-off. In fact, it's the leftovers from those plates I made earlier. In my mind, I've been thinking I would turn this into some sort of bowl, but I just haven't gotten around to it. One of the first things to consider when designing a bowl is where it will sit within the piece of wood. For this I've got really two options, bark side up or bark side down. In terms of efficiency, it really makes sense to have bark side up with the base here and the open end here. Bark side up also will tend to give me a better grain pattern within the bowl, so I think that's the option I'll go for. Now that I've decided the bowl will be bark side up and be fitting within here, the next decision I have to make is where do I put the base? It's a balance between how deep I want the bowl and how wide I want that foot of the bowl. I'll just play with some options and see what I come up with. Looking at the worst side of this piece of wood, i.e. the most limiting side, I'm thinking it'll be a shallow bowl. I'll probably draw the base along here. The next step will be to rough cut this off, and that will give me a flat surface on which I can do the design of the bowl much easier. So let's mark that out now. Now that I've cut the majority of the bulk off with the saw, it's time to plane this smooth and turn it into a bowl. I'm kidding, I'm using this. I'll flatten this side as well. So just marking a line. Power tools like this planer are fast at removing a lot of material, but unfortunately they're a bit on the noisy side, so I'll finish the rest by hand. I've finished hand planing both surfaces. I'm quite happy with the outcome. I think we can call this the end of part 1, preparing the blank. In the next video, I will mark out some guidelines and draw the actual design onto the blank, followed by some carving. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and I wasn't really going to keep this piece. I'm going to throw this into the firewood pile now.